Very good morning, students. Students, now we will study chapter 5 banking, right? Systems or commercial bank and the central bank. First, we understand here the bank, right? The types of the bank. There are the different types of the bank. One is the central bank, other is the special bank, right? In the central bank, we divided bank, scheduled bank and non-scheduled bank. Now again the scheduled bank are divided into commercial bank and cooperative bank, right? And the special banks are development bank, investment and industrial bank. These are the special bank, right? Now the commercial banks are divided into private sector, public sector bank, foreign bank, regional bank, rural bank, right? Example of private and public sector bank are SBI and associate banks, nationalized bank and other banks, right? So we understand the cooperative bank, the state cooperative bank, central cooperative bank and primary agricultural bank, right? The state cooperative bank like that, the agricultural bank, the cooperative banks of Rani Pokhari, you can understand. So there are the, and some bank are affiliated by the central government. So this is the some types of the banks in our banking system, right? We understand it. Now students come to the points. What is commercial bank? Now what is the commercial bank? Commercial bank is the institutions which perform the function of accepting deposit from the general public and giving loan for investments. So whatever the money we have deposit in the banks, we get also the interest from the bank. Bank can give those money, deposit money, as a loan, as a credit to the customers and also get profit, right? That is the investment process. They generally finance trade and commerce with short term loans, right? Now the commercial bank here, banks are profit seeking financial institutions actually which focus on the profit seeking, right? That take deposit from the customers, or we can say that public. So we are the public, so we deposit our money at the banks as a lower rate of interest and make business loan at a higher rate of interest. Means whatever the banks, suppose that if we deposit the bank in our money in banks, bank give us only the very less percentage of the loans. But if we take the loans from the bank charge high interest rate, right? This actually the motive of the commercial banks, to, right? Profit seekings, how to get the profit. And in addition they also sell various investment product and banking services that augment their profit, right? To understand the commercial bank, what are the primary function of the commercial banks? So these are the primary functions. What are the accepting deposit? Whatever the deposit we accept in the bank, that is called the accept deposit. Making advance means the making the advance payment to the customers as a loans, right? And credit creations means through the giving loans, the bank charge the high interest rate to the customers, that is called the credit creations, right? Now the secondary function of the bank are clearance of check, sale and purchase of share bonds, transfer of money, the work as a trustee, to work as a representative to give or accept money, to provide letter of credit. These are the secondary functions, right? Here is some other functions we have in details. Accepting deposit, whatever the deposit you store in banks accept your deposit. Suppose that your money is 10,000 rupees in bank, that is the accepting. Providing credit facilitate means banks also provide the loan to the business holders or to the investors and get levied high interest charge. Payment and withdrawals facilities, so you can withdraw and make the payment to the transfer to other accounts, right? And credit creations means providing loan to the customers and bank charges high interest rate, that is called the credit creations. Other services, right? Safe custodies, reference, agency and utility services and interbanking transactions. These are the function of commercial banks what we send. The main function of accepting deposit and advancing loans, right? The various functions performed by the commercial banks are as follows: accepting of deposit, people who have surplus funds with them would like to deposit these with commercial bank accept mainly three types of deposit, right? Advancing loans, the deposit received by bank are not allowed to remain idle. So after keeping certain cash reserve, the banks is giving to needy borrower and interest is charged from them, which is main source of income for this bank, right? Now that we understand the types of the deposit in banks, and we can say the types of the accounts the customer open in banks. These are the saving account. Generally we have the saving account in banks, the current account for the businessman who needs daily transactions and having many transactions, right? And the fixed deposit, this is also called the term deposit and recurring deposit. These two deposits are also called term deposit, right? Fixed deposit means fixed period of times, and recurring deposit will be also the fixed period of the times, right? These are the types of the deposit we understand in the bank. The current accounts, different bank have different criteria for opening a current accounts, right? Generally banks would only consider the application if applicant is 18 years old or above, not a bankrupt, of sound mind and has a mental and physical capacity to operate account properly. For business owner and professional entities, they must ensure that they are properly registered with the relevant authority, right? Deposit means, now the type of deposits: checking accounts, money market account, saving account and certificate of deposit. Checking account means use daily expenses and bills. Account holder can write check for fund in accounts, right? That is called the checking, means the money which you pay through the check. Money market account, deposit account that earn interest, right? Limit the numbers of transactions each month, that is called money market account. Saving account used for saving money for emergency or specific goals. Certificate of deposit used as a long term saving. Interest rate are higher than saving account, like that certificate deposit account, right? The type of deposit I have already: time deposit, fixed deposit, recurring deposit and reinvestment deposit. Now the fixed deposit is demand deposit, current deposit and recurring deposit is the saving deposit, right? Cash deposit, right? So we understand it. Deposit, types of the deposit we understand. Now students, in this video we understand the type of the deposit, function of the primary function and secondary function of the commercial banks and bank types of the banks, right? Hope students you understand it. Have a great day ahead. Thanks for